Hello guys, welcome back, and this is Aditya here, and this video is all about the development of my new startup. As you may know, because you are my friend, I may have told you that I have started a new startup, and this startup is all about my new venture of event management company, which evolved around the specific service provided. Yeah. So my this video is all about my ventures, and things are that I want to create a company which provide facilities to the customer, especially the event management facilities to customer. एंड इन सर्विसेज के अंदर क्या है कि आपको वो चीज़ें मिलेंगी जो कोई और नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. लाइक आपको आपकी बाइफरगेटेड फंड मैनेजमेंट मिलेगा, जिसमें आपको पता होगा कि जहाँ जहाँ आपने पैसे लगाए हैं अपनी इवेंट के लिए, वहाँ लगे भी हैं कि नहीं, कि वो प्रॉफिट अमाउंट कितना है उस बंदे का, एंड द मार्जिन्स आर कितने ज़्यादा मार्जिन हैं. मतलब क्योंकि मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर हाइप्ड है, एंड ड्यू टू द ओवर हाइप्ड मार्केट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट बहुत कॉस्टली हो जाता है एक नॉर्मल बंदे के लिए. आई नो कि एक अमीर बंदा है जो अफोर्ड कर सकता है, वो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, बट एक छोटा इवेंट करने के लिए भी वो उतना ही प्राइस मांगते हैं और उतना ही प्राइस मार्जिन मांगते हैं जितना एक बड़े इवेंट के लिए मार्जिन मांगते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व. सेकेंड, एक ऑनलाइन इवेंट मिलेगा, एक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा जहाँ पे द कस्टमर विल गो बुक ऑल ऑफ हिज वेंडर्स एंड द सर्विसेज, और बुकिंग वहाँ हो जाने के बाद वो सेटिस्फाई होगा कि हाँ, आई हैव डन दिस मच, अब मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, ऑफलाइन जाके बस इनसे कंफर्म करना है कि या उसे एक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के अंदर सब कुछ मिल जाएगा जो भी उसकी इवेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है. दिस इज़ अ वेग आइडिया जिसके ऊपर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. सो अबाउट द प्रोग्रेस, आई हैव स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग माई Omnigation. The name of the company is Omnigation. Omni is for everything, and cation is word derived from the occasion word, and this is what I have formulated. Now, अब जो कंपनी की है वो है सबसे पहले वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट करते करते मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 4 महीने हो चुके हैं, एंड इन 4 महीनों के अंदर सबसे पहले एक विक्स प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर मैंने अपनी वेबसाइट डेवलप की, एंड आफ्टर दैट डेवलपमेंट अब हम बाय कोड रिएक्ट के ऊपर बना रहे हैं. सो हाउ आई एम बिल्डिंग दिस, आई एम टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स एंड माई फैमिली. फंडिंग रेज करना, मैं और मेरा पार्टनर, वी आर रेजिंग द फंडिंग, एंड एवरीवन एल्स. आई हैव अ टीम ऑफ 8 members, kind of 8 members, in which they are working the different spheres of website. Some are learning, some are developing, some are learning and developing simultaneously. So it is kind of a startup and opportunity for many to develop, to do something great in their fields also. So this is the second point. Now the third point is offline marketing. Till the development of the final website, I have to do my offline marketing, because this market is almost at the ground level, and the people are at the ground level are not capable of using online services yet, because they can't imagine the concept of planning an event online, and we also can't till now. We can't imagine that. We have to do this. We will continue doing this, and we will get to know about how it will work, but we haven't completely figured it out. So yes, this is the third point. For the offline marketing, we are making our t-shirts. Like this is a t-shirt with name Omnigation. This is this QR code. You can scan this and directly go to the website. We have a small visiting card made up of a black card, and a QR code is also on it, so the person can also scan the QR code on the thing and go to the website. Now for the fourth point. The fourth point is understanding the market. As we are doing small projects, like we had done a project on 1st June on the inauguration of our company, we missed few points. Due to the hassle, because the order came the previous night on the 30th of May, 31st of May, the communication between me and the customer was not that good, and we missed some points. Like we missed that how many days your function is going to be. Like the function was an inauguration, so we kind of assumed that the function will be of one day only, but the customer wanted our decoration to be there for further days. Also, we haven't told them that the decoration is rented, as I was thinking that it is a common thing to know. But yeah, if I treat customer like he doesn't know anything about it, so I have to tell him that yeah, this is a thing. So that was my fault. I feel that I am responsible for that. So that was the point. So as of now, we have to gain experience in this field. We have to do work in this sphere, and make a process or make a plan out of it, that how will customer enter, how will customer go to the next step, and how will customer reach to the final step of booking our function, and the last and the most important, how will he review our process, how he will review our event management. The kind of this was the fourth point. Now the fifth point, how it is different from other event management and other different sites. So the difference is that we are not a single vendor, we are not a single event management site. We consist of many local vendors, and we work together to provide services. So for an example, if a person comes to my website, he or she can decide out of multiple vendors to whom to choose, out of his her benefit, out of his her comfort. So for the current scenario, I have 7 vendors, out of which 2 are caterers, 3 are tent service providers or decorators, 1 stall, and another thing. So these 7 vendors are providing services as an individual on my website. So the name is mine, the credibility of work is mine, but the work done through me or through my website is by someone else, or by the vendor the person choose. So this is the point. So almost this was all about the communication and about the new startup. I am going to post multiple videos of my progress to the channel out of 2 reasons. First, to share my experience, and second, to monetize the channel, because I need to build some fund, and I am thinking of building this fund out of bootstrapping, and if possible I am going to reinvest my profits into the company as well. Okay, so this is all about today, and I'm going to further post these things. Let's see where I go.